Hello everybody of YouTube. Today I'm going to be making a video demonstrating or showing you these two vintage pieces of electrical equipment. Well, not really equipment, but electrical devices I should say. The first one here is this really cool 1950s light switch here. This is a standard electrical light switch, and it's really interesting because this switch, like the modern light switches, they actually click when you turn them into position. Like they click on and off position, but this one doesn't. Now listen closely, and you'll hear that there's no click sound. Ready? Listen. Hear that? There's no sound. There's barely any sound when you push it to the on position or the off position. So the switch basically has no locking position. It's just on and off. Like I can turn it here, I can turn it here, and I can turn it in this position. And, you know, it doesn't make a sound. So I thought that was always interesting about it. Anyway, it's different from a modern light switch because it has like this black plastic on the back. Of course, with your terminals, which are actually more recessed into the plastic, as you can tell from any modern switch. So, you know, that's basically how this works. It's just a little bit recessed. And it's still got the metal. And one thing I love about the switch, I don't think you can see it, unfortunately, because my stupid camera doesn't like the focus. But it says Made in USA. Right down there. And up here it says 15 amp, 120 volts. Indoor use only. So, that's the switch. This is probably the most interesting piece right here. Is this vintage receptacle, or outlet, if you prefer. This is also from the same era, probably around the 60s or 50s. I can tell it's old because it does not have a ground prong, like modern receptacles do. I can show it you here. I have a receptacle here, quite modern one, that's got the ground, as you can see. It's got the neutral, hot, and ground. Whereas this one only has your neutral and your hot. So it does not have a ground connection, as you might be able to tell. And if you're wondering what this is a receptacle tester, which I'm going to be making this thing's own video, so I guess have that there to show you. So this is going to be in another video, so be sure to watch out for that. Anyway, this is similar to the light switch. It's got two of the screws actually came out, but you know, there's two screws are still there to hook it up. You have one screw, which is the brass, which is the hot side, and you have the silver, which is the neutral side. And there is no ground screw, obviously. And this receptacle does still work. It's really old and interesting. And just like the switch, this is also made in USA and designed for 120 volts. Indoor use only. So, it's quite cool, and if you wanted to test it, you would take your receptacle tester and stick it in like this. But since it's not hooked up to anything, it doesn't light up. So I thought that was kind of cool. So these two devices are probably pretty rare to find nowadays. So I just wanted to make a quick video kind of showing them off to you. So these both have that black plastic coating on the back of them, as you can see. So they both look kind of cool with that, because modern ones, I'll show you my modern receptacle here. It does not have that. My modern receptacle just has your, grayish plastic on the back, where this has your black. So that basically covers my vintage light switch and electrical receptacle / outlet. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And guys, just a quick favor here. Please just subscribe to my channel and make sure you like all my videos and share my videos and comment on my videos, because it really helps a lot, because I want to grow my channel's popularity. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.